People, scammer Anna husband left her. Anna, when you talk about that pan the life, say your husband left you. And you don't know where he at. You don't know where he at, Anna. Him gone for good, Anna. Anna, guess what? Him say me fi let it out and do the show, Anna. Anna, him. Him. Want the world fi know. Say him free. And him left you, Anna. Anna, last Monday when you gone about your business, you had no idea that Tony was flying out. You had no idea that Mr. Carnegie was flying out last Monday. You didn't even know. You think of the regular couscous and in Ghana, mother. You was surprised when you get that call from him, Anna, a few days later. And him tell us him in the country. Him gone far away. And had no clue. The man tired of the beating. Yes, Anna. The source them strong. And him know what I mean, know Anna. Cause him know me not go hold it. Him want the world know about you. And know say him free. And Anna, you know why him don't want me know? Especially, because you not going to get to do what you do the last time when you make me know. Remember the drive where you beat him and sleep out and lock up the grill? And you drive, go up and mother female, I bust the news. You drive all the way from St. Elizabeth and top speed, go a Mandeville and grab him and bring him go to the house and make we hear him in the background. People them say it's like a spaceship. And I drive from St. Elizabeth. God don't like ugly, Anna. God don't like ugly. You beat the man 5 times in a 1 year. More than that, but a 5 times the police get called. 5 times and you are the woman. And 5 times police get called in less than a year per you. Alone the charges never press. 5 times. And you definitely did not wear the pants. But the man gone now. Tony gone away. And he said, man, come back, Anna. Me have the link, Anna. The number soon change. Him not foreign country. Me not tell you which country, Anna. Because you don't know the country, Anna. You never even know say him left the country. Anna Ashanti 360 of all person get the bomb. Tony left you. She buy the wedding ring where Tony the Anna. Make we hear him in the background. Play one record in that Tony there in the background. God don't like ugly. Anna, where is my money? So I Tony left you. Yeah, man, I take off the wheel of the car. No scamming now go on. Don't to nothing, little bit of go on. Don't get another money, she a scammer. She thief about $2 million from Maya for build her house and other people money. She Tony gone left for their husband. Anna, last Monday when you come at the house, I see Tony. Few days gone, then get the call. Here's a Tony out of the country. How you feel, Anna? The man tired of your scammer, Anna. Tired of the embarrassment and the shame. And you put your hand on him. You know how man going to feel? Man probably could have broke you up. But him not going to do that. Although I don't know if him could have do that still, because you're big, you know. And me that deal with me and now me I drop that bomb upon you if you ever catch me. Stop your money, your husband gone, money not coming. What you gonna know say him no want me, boss I know. Bombardos. Jaja. I still have the picture of them Anna to where you beat him up the last time. Like how him left the country, I can't show them. You can't get to him no more. Anna husband gone left our people. From last Monday, Anna keep it secret. Tony gone. Far, far, far away from Anna. Anna don't even know where him gone, which country. Anna never even know Tony left. Anna gone go do her thing, must gone go eat one pokey. Tony cut last Monday. Not Tony in the house, few days gone. Anna get a call to Tony in a foreign country to blood. And I hold it over there and I go and beg 2 times. And I don't give her no money, but put a smile. Tony gone, all them work there, work the man. At the security. And I want to give the money and I talk about what you need money for. And you pay the bills them. You want to play the man role. You have the physical abuse, emotional abuse, and financial abuse. Usually the man do that to the woman, but in this case, the woman do it to the man. Yes, it happen, people. A girl will get exported from Jamaica back to America. She was abused until she killed her baby father, Andre Brown, the woman at Connecticut. So it can't go further. Yes, man, you have some woman who love put them hand per man too. And some man, you know, out of respect. And them not grow that way that them not going to do it. But Anna, him gone left you. Tony gone far, far away. People scam Anna husband left her. Not just left her. Tony gone out of the country left Anna. And I remember when you had him fly go Panama, I tell we saw Canada. And we said, no man, no palm tree no there. Canada. And I never know say no real beach, no to hear them as a beach to Canada. A lake them call beach Anna and put sand on it. Ask anybody at Canada, a pure lake over there. Because she got a Panama and big open ocean. Tell people she at Canada. See I told you. Shame like dog. If you have visa but they get revolted to after she go out with the fool. Bigger shame for your hand, Anna. Tony, make Ashanti 360 bust the story, say him left you. Jaja, like him couldn't wait, Anna, to tell the world. More to come, too. More to come. Does not talk. Anna! Man take serious thing for joke. Abuse is wrong. A good fear, the man should have left you a long time. And I just imagine, for somebody where they donate to you and a woman they take him gun and bomb clot. And I know more too. Yes. Nah, say it. Me say a whole heap of Lincoln, boom, boom, boom. You know, I'm going to get him pay. I'm not for work illegal, bomb clot. Man thing set, Anna. I get him pay unlike you, I want to slave him. I real talk people, Anna husband left her. KINGSTON 13. 13. Anna husband left her.
Anna husband left her. Oh, it sound like say you
and him left the country.
Oh, it sound like you have it sound like you have Anna.
I mean, me stop the money. Me stop the money, say, you know, after that, stop it like a problem. I stop it, but me slow it down a lot.
Happy about that thing. You just sound too happy.
Because guess what? She not going to play about my money, so I'm happy for that.
When him go Panama, he can go to
Suppose me tell you something. Right now, when I'm linking them mad. Because them don't want to fuck Tony. And she couldn't come up with the number. Bad. Anna, person that want to get Tony a piece of fuck and get a pay back. But my friend, when you vex Tony gone, I never get the number for you. Sorry.
No, you know, later you link it. You say, no, I tell you something, everybody would you for borrow because Tony contaminated.
No, man.
I don't want Tony.
Not do that, man.
Him contaminated, that may I tell you. You don't take woman, you don't take people like Anna, man.
As a revenge fuck, she don't want to get Tony.
Tony good can't even take no fuck. Tony good can't even give no fuck. Maybe I'm not just say Anna push up a deal underneath Tony.
Anna do something wicked. She don't care about that. Anna do something wicked to the woman. I swear now, I'm not lie. Woman linked me seriously more than one time. I'm gonna try to get the number, but Tony gone now.
Well, if you go Panama, you can go to Mexico, I choose Santo Domingo and straight to the border. But the problem is
no, man, Tony not got through no border, man. But me not talk nothing else, you know.
Look here,
Tony can work on everything.
Yeah, most likely he can work.
Legally too.
All that thing can't marry. Well,
Anna, you never know them things there. When Anna come home, Tony gone, and I have no clue. Tony sneaking behind back and do it. You never tell her.
Last week.
Well, you know what she did a ball for. Because see if I last Monday. On Monday, him coach never know till a few days after. So sometime last week, she find out.
I don't remember because you know last week was a week to me Wednesday, but one day somebody tell me that she over TikTok with the ball.
But because somebody go see if they find it and send it and tell me the date.
Hey, Queenie Anna broke record for the media still know. Because I tell you something, normally a woman always a run left man, you know. I fuck
them
from
man
know
cut.
myself.
Jaja.
Them man no, they not cut. Cut away tired up. Them man run.
Then left the country, jump on an iron eagle, iron bird and fly out far, far away.
Do we run left? Do we don't even wait to see if him have a chance to get the black book? And Tony him run down, let the free money charge him mash up run here, Tony. Knock it now the car. Knock it. You send the money in a Tony name. And the big money them a come in a Tony name or Tony mother name.
Tony get it. He's on her watch and then something there from Knock
son. Hey, Tony mother sacrifice her son. Because me tell you something. Ashanti, me not choose to mind picking them.
But Anna did not give them money from the charity and things from the charity.
That's why
while him stepfather named Fish. Fish never like when him there, you know. And
that's why I'm glad me not licky because me tell you something.
And I give them money, them are poor people.
Hey,
and
me
she
not
beat up
choosing
them
none
son.
of my picking them. Ashanti, me not choosing none of my picking them. None. But my picking being Kara Anna come in front.
Well, on for blame Miss where she name. And she make the man get the abuse. The woman who used to do charity, I'm a boss her charity.
No, Anna go with that chick. Yeah, because
the man did that cook this up. And remember that chicken man that was the Ava scam with her.
I think Tony is her nephew, Miss Ellis. I think Tony is Miss Ellis' nephew, you know.
Me never know that one there, but me know him did that cook for her and I scoop him up. She go one function there and scoop him up. And was the chef.
Yeah. Miss Ellis give them Airbnb for sleeping at the night like she want Tony used to pussy, but she never understands that Anna is a man too. Maybe she just want Anna take him and catch him and marry to him. And then he come out on a ball. No wonder why she cook the homeless food. What day ya? Can't beg them what Marley Gripe and Flux to complain them homeless people they keep.
And I'm let out the secret. Hush.
I don't run Tony for go on. Go on, boy.
But why you think Tony the one me drop the bomb?
Because Tony knows that she a drunk, huh?
At the door she ate me to take a bun or more.
What, sir? That was no life.
Yeah, the wicked she doing. I'm happy say the man free up though. I'm happy because abuse is wrong. I don't want to joke. It's wrong though for man and woman. Wrong.
You know when me know Anna dangerous with Tony? Let me tell you something I know Anna dangerous with Tony. And when Tony and Anna just married, you know, and she got along with something and somebody must call, you know. And she said she's searching at the man's phone, you know, and Anna say, you know, the Tony family them, you know, and the whosoever tell Tony if you can suck out her body hole, you know, if I for me
That
picking
was
our Anna
like,
do
I
that, you
think, the first week they married her, the second week, it was
the
right
first
after they
week
married.
they married,
Yeah.
the woman, now me know me get a man go whop her ready to her big
Queenie
sour
do the
face, she
same
too
thing to
rude.
with do it. She do the same thing.
Then that me tell us that Queenie and Anna the two worst woman them on the internet, man. Normally, but the man them have to run.
Jaja, Anna that bad man, the man
What?
gone our next country.
No, because him can't stay at Jamaica and live in a peace, and him know, maybe he no want to
Not
chat.
just that, in a
Something like
shame with the scamming and the woman and Anna still not left the woman them alone. I'm moving the
him
little
love the
young girl in
scamming
the
too,
house. But nobody no want them
Ashanti,
woman and them know such a
Tony
outfit. And all moving other woman at the
no
house.
innocent neither, and Ashanti.
Me know him have a heap of woman, trust me, me know. Me know we hear a lot.
Then if the man there we do an alpha man, and one alpha dynamite at the house, you can't breathe and
So
but
me
you
never
not easy.
want trim gone now, but me know a whole heap, trust me. But trim gone now, me
Ashanti,
can't
now we
talk.
go,
Him
now
have
we
a bag
boy.
of woman.
The man there with
Trust me, him have a
Them
whole
him
heap
not
of
look
woman.
woman for David, that push a woman him come here for David, but you know easy about him have a bag of woman with Anna. One hyper
No,
like
but
big
true
old
before
ugly
me
nasty
never
liar
drop
to kick
it
something.
because true Anna with her ear, but him not dead now.
You come back one like that, Anna nothing.
Anna nothing. Yeah, my worst when
So
she
when
used to
make
beat
the
him.
man look woman fuck, make the man look woman fuck, make the man look woman fuck. Well, you know easy.
Look like one of them send for him. Anna, what are you doing of them send? Let me stop. Anna him gone though.
Me no wrong then, take him.
And the next reason too why Tony the one, make sure, cause him know Anna can do the same thing like the last time and come back and get him. Anna, if I lie Martin, make Tony come on the live. Or make we just hear him in the background. Can not come on the live. Make we hear him in the background. You can't do that. And that's the main reason him don't want. Cause you can't do that.
And that you go look in a phone and the live about. So you're a waste woman, Anna, cause your husband a
So over there still a try scam and a beg money but put a smile on somebody's face. Don't get Anna no money. And she want a smile on her face. Fear balling. Shadow.
Tony Shawara go back for.
She can't find him. She don't know which country him there. Him not tell her. She never even know him I left the country.
Anna, we pay a private investigator to find out which part in there.
She not know that country there.
I shall go down tomorrow, man. That I should have gone already. Anna, have removed them, man. I said, me, Anna, gone right down a judge. If you think Anna going to give up Tony without a fight, if Anna don't want this race for now.
Him done, gone, it done. And that's why I'm doing things like that and just cut when she gone and not make she know nothing. Because she try to stop him. Because she's an abuser. Shanti love up and running. Anna man gone, her husband. Gone. Anna is still away the ring. Somebody go tell me if you see the ring on her finger upon the whole live then. God.
She must take it off right good and about her.
Jaja. Nakilet prayers. Bombardos.
Hey,
Nakilet prayers.
tell Nakilet. She needs to go apologize to Nakilet. I make Nakilet pray for her because until Nakilet cursed Anna. So I'm tell her, say, Ashanti, but don't ramp with people religion. I said that woman never near Nakilet. I don't know what relationship she have with that man up above, but when she got me say, from Anna fuck with Nakilet and Nakilet pray about Anna. Anna life just go like
Jaja.
against son. Everything go bad for
Yep,
her.
after she put the
better go
laptop over her head. Ever since she do that.
Hey, and she feel it, you know. The way she feel it, I said, what day she say one woman give her $30, I must want it back.
Jaja.
And she go on. The way Anna feel it, she feel about not collect the 600 and go on and she give her the laptop. And it's something there. Mama, me tell her something.
I gotta work because she don't give back money. That's why I know her prayers work. She never give back money. I'll way less than that and she not give
and back. And take up all of $600 and give back not collect.
Remember the pum pum cream, I know she not pay about the woman the 60 US the pum pum cream. And the woman get the pum pum tight now.
No, and the woman have to pay back the money.
And I come on live and shame the woman and say why the woman need pum pum cream and I send her back her money. Pum pum tight now. And put out the woman number so me get the woman number for call the woman and ask her about it. Because I don't put out her number publicly. What kind of business woman that? Somebody will buy something and they never like your service, kind of send it on time and them a call and complain and you don't end up sending it and you put out them number.
No, and not only that.
And you don't refund them either.
All them something there. You know, if the people here water, they put Anna, because they must say somebody buy it, you know. The woman buy it for somebody and the woman have to pay back the money. Anna keeps the woman money. All me know what say Anna is one drunker. One drunker. Don't like that girl. You better go take see that chin now. Fuck her, yo. Tony God. Tony said, no me. Now I'm telling you right here, so. You're not style for Tony. Tony, you're stagnant.
And the pum pum tight that don't work. It never hold 20 the same body I sell.
Tony, about three years now, Tony married to Anna and Tony can't be
Anna 3 years Anna. Yet. Because when she beat him, I was what? The start of the year and that was a year anniversary. And a 2 year yet over 1 year. Do you ever think I'm probably over 1 year and a half?
Well. She Tony gone because I say Tony can't breed blood clot and Tony married to a man and I trick Tony. Tony and is an eye for that night and I both body and can't breed.
And Tony gone.
Tony, I want Tony breed with a woman, you see.
When if Anna go back to woman full time. Because that little pitney must confused. Because she have her 2 mommy, then now she have her mommy and none of them are really her mother and her father, including Anna. And her first cousin. And her uncle pitney.
Yeah, we know that.
Poor confusion.
Anna said that little girl cash cow.
Yep.
Cash cow. You know, see that she go for the woman. Anna is a one big stinking dirty dance, a low flying drunker. I don't stand fair. Tony should have breathed somebody down there.
Where is Maya money?
I left them. See, where you know Maya? Maya, the soldier man still want Maya. No wonder you make the pum pum tight man. Tony run down left you. Not even for them make the man breathe you. You walk out and turn the man in a mule like yourself. All tired, drunk.
Whoa, hold on there, KINGSTON 13. Hold on there. Thank you, my friend. Somebody go check her live. And her last live. Anna na Havana ring. Bombo class.
The ring about Anna finger. Anna have to take it off.
Jaja.
Anything when you're doing that order, Ashanti, anything with iniquity, and you not get right, you have to lose it. When Anna run go mad just to show off the teeth for people them something of work.
Thank you, Maria. Anna, you stop wearing the ring. Yes, Tony left last Monday. I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be coming back again.
Not coming back again. Not come back.
Ever.
I know Tony I gonna get pussy for fuck Tony. Now I have no cocky, I push him off. Now him I get real crutches.
Yeah, the
real
one
crutches.
13, this is
He now get no cocky. He might get real click now.
Yeah, when
man I go breed Anna.
Imagine when them talk Anna, tell Anna, say Ashanti over there, say put up one title and say bag of chat, say your husband left.
And he might go for share ball. They can't hear the ball now, the call ball now.
But I say, why couldn't be somebody else? Say, why have to make him have a drop?
Sir, you're right. You know the fuck are you? Boy, you go look for breed.
Tony really wasn't happy with your Anna. That's why I'm the one me drop it. And him know say to that hurt you more. Cause I know you say you
could
not
have happy
like
with
me.
that?
Cause what me do? I'm gonna pull down your charity.
Who
You're
could have happy with
scamming
a half
rather.
a man in the house with that? Who could have happy with a half a blood clot, man? When man clip to play with a sock, I would imagine not a blood clip. Man come when you
But why
take a
me
man in there with
13?
man.
I'm really right, you know, take a boner. Anybody else to that, not too bad all over, but Ashanti 360. To want to know if a knock
If
her
you
good. DD.
if you Lady V, it said Lady V are going to Novia, Lady V pray for him, dirty blood clot, and tell life and Lady V man. Oh, Lady V threaten her sister.
Well,
Remember, Lady V, the one you
I forgot
Lady
that the
V
blood
prayer.
clot. Yeah, husband gone
Me not
though.
forget, because she tell life and me, now it's about a me called Lady V. And tell Lady V, you wicked fucker, you see you know. Lady V pray for your dirty blood clot. Lady V didn't want, you know. She didn't tell him not that she had got 9 days to your dirty blood clot. See there? So what happened to you now?
And then
Not
about put on back the ring. We don't see the video without the ring by your hand. And me don't have it. Me don't have the link. Tony done a link up already. But I call myself and behave. And just give a good explanation. Because I don't want them rest about me drop out. All them abuse the way you do. You don't want them drop out road.
But I'll tune into Anna should I use our blood
Shut
clot
a
to wet
Roman.
job
Where did them
and
that ask you? Go on talk 13, sorry.
Ashanti,
Yes.
you want me to tell you the truth?
Tell me.
Anna should I use our blood clot? Should I use our draws and Tony 22 blood clot licky? I find out that these men don't have Jamaica because you want to know what Tony sipper Anna for me.
But listen me. 20 with she 13, that not right. That remind me of Colin and Amari. Them use the man them and abuse the man them and have them alone. Imagine you there with with Anna, worse there with Amari. And you have to go through all of that. Everybody knows that she suck pork and she a scam
Then
and thief.
Ashanti, why would I take up them the blood clot sagara, them the old vagabond?
You deserve to get a paycheck for them abuse them.
You deserve him to get 2 draws blood clot, lick him 2 enough.
You know, so when him work at the
Him too
security
not-
place, him not get no pay, little or nothing. Because Anna is a woman.
After 1 week in there, because when the security firm mash up.
Yeah, I
After
just one place
week,
them that have, so
Anna
him do it
share
every day.
everything.
And she not
Anna
pay him.
share